Hey there, welcome to another video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that Docker users might face. The issue arises when you create a Docker file using an image as a base image, but forget to build that base image locally. As a result, Docker will download a random image from the repository with the same common name, potentially even a compromised one. Quite a problem, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. Egress networking rules play a crucial role in preventing such mishaps. By controlling outbound traffic, you can significantly reduce the risk of connecting to arbitrary servers on the internet. Additionally, it's essential not to abuse common names for images. Always point the from image to a location you trust, such as a private registry server or an image with a registry and organization name under your control. Lastly, consider pinning image references to a SHA-256 digest and automate the updating process to ensure only pre-approved images are used as base images. In summary, by enforcing egress networking rules, being mindful of image naming, and pinning image references, you can safeguard your Docker environment from potential risks. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.